In this video we'll be discussing a crucial topic for anyone facing a DUI charge: how to find a good DUI lawyer. A driving under the influence charge can have severe consequences, so it's essential to have the right legal representation by your side. In this video, we'll walk you through some essential tips and advice on how to find the best DUI lawyer for your case. So, let's get started. Section 1: Understanding the importance of a DUI lawyer. Before we dive into the tips, let's first understand why having a DUI lawyer is crucial. A DUI charge is a serious offense with potential legal, financial, and personal repercussions. A skilled DUI lawyer can assess the details of your case, provide expert advice, protect your rights, and, if possible, reduce or dismiss the charges against you. Section 2: Research and Recommendations. The first step in finding a good DUI lawyer is to conduct thorough research. Start by searching online for reputable lawyers in your area with expertise in handling DUI cases. Read reviews and testimonials from previous clients to get an idea of their track record and success rate. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues. If someone you trust had a positive experience with a DUI lawyer, it's a great starting point for your search. Section 3: Experience and Expertise. When it comes to hiring a DUI lawyer, experience and expertise matter. Look for attorneys who specialize in DUI cases and have a proven history of handling such matters successfully. A lawyer who knows the ins and outs of DUI laws and the local court system will be better equipped to defend you effectively. Section 4: Check credentials. It's crucial to verify the credentials of any lawyer you consider hiring. Ensure they are licensed to practice law in your state and are a member of the local bar association. Checking their background will give you confidence in their ability to represent you professionally. Section 5: Schedule a consultation. Once you've narrowed down your list of potential DUI lawyers, schedule consultations with each of them. Most lawyers offer initial consultations for free or at a minimal cost. Take advantage of this opportunity to discuss your case, ask questions, and assess their communication style and approach to handling DUI cases. Section 6: Assess communication and compatibility. Effective communication between you and your lawyer is essential throughout the legal process. During the consultations, pay attention to how well the lawyer listens to your concerns and how clearly they explain legal matters to you. Choose a lawyer who makes you feel comfortable and with whom you can establish a good rapport. Section 7: Fee structure and costs. Discuss the fee structure and costs during the consultation. It's crucial to understand the payment terms and whether they charge a flat fee or hourly rate. Additionally, inquire about any additional costs, such as court fees or expenses related to your case. Section 8: Track record and success rate. Ask the lawyer about their track record and success rate in handling DUI cases similar to yours. While no outcome can be guaranteed, a lawyer with a proven track record of achieving favorable results is more likely to offer you a strong defense. Conclusion: finding a good DUI lawyer is a critical step in ensuring the best possible outcome for your case. Remember to research, seek recommendations, assess their expertise, and have open communication during the consultation process. A skilled DUI lawyer can make a significant difference in your case and help you navigate through this challenging time. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.